way too long since we've seen you around these parts, madam.
From the cookies.
Let me get in on this. Let me get in on this.
We could not have a family meal without Jessie Sheehan, the brains behind Snackable Bakes. Thank you for doing this.
Thank you guys so much for having me to this amazing
This is our holiday party,
family holiday party, dinner.
The whole thing.
The whole thing.
Now, inquiring minds want to know, since this is your profession, I know you were first a lawyer and all. Oh, and I'm sorry, where does your son go to school?
Wesleyan.
I have to go. I'm actually, someone's at the door.
You knew I had to bring one Wesleyan in. You're a baker. Does everyone lean heavily on you to bake for
around the holidays?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. And I hope this doesn't offend, but sometimes I love a break. So if a family member says, oh, can I bring a pie or can I bring a little cake or whatever it is, I am never like, no, no, that's me.
That's my territory.
Yeah, yeah, never, ever, ever. Yeah,
I would be very nervous to bring Jessie Sheehan.
I would not go to a party where she was at that I was in charge of dessert. I would be sick that day. No, but what is your favorite thing to create during the holidays?
So one of my favorite things ever is a whoopie pie.
Yeah, buddy.
These ones are chocolate peppermint. I adore a whoopie pie because I adore frosting.
Yes.
And the frosting to cake ratio of a whoopie pie is
perfection.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Perfection.
It is. It truly is.
And they're easy peasy. You can do lots of different flavors. This one is kind of Christmassy, holiday-ish with some crushed candy canes. But the whoopie pie world is your oyster, as it were.
Oh. Wow. Shall we get to the business of the business?
Yes, yes, yes. So this is a really simple batter to throw together. We have a little oil. We have a little brown sugar. We have a little vanilla. And we whisk this together.
And this is one of, in case you don't know the genius of this woman, she says just use one bowl. Don't make yourself crazy, with a few exceptions.
Yes, because, honey, and I know you know this, and I'm going to add, let me just tell you what I'm going to add, and then I'm going to tell you something fantastically interesting. I added buttermilk, I added egg, I'm going to add my leavening and my... I'm gonna add
the bowl.
And I'm gonna add a bowl. You always add a bowl. I'm gonna add my leavening and my salt right now. But here's the thing, honey. I hate doing dishes.
Amen.
I hate doing dishes so much that I only want to bake with...
Yeah. This is how much she hates doing dishes. She is knocking things over.
Well, do you know what's so funny?
Tell me.
My fiance loves doing dishes, and you want to know why?
Ooh.
So he doesn't have to talk to anybody.
Oh my gosh, I'm a teeny bit like him.
That sounds weird.
I know, it does sound weird.
He does the dishes so that he doesn't have to talk to anybody.
Sometimes I feel like I need a little break.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
That's true.
Let me just tell you about this, because this is cool.
Oh,
I put hot
delicious.
water into the cocoa powder.
Oh, man.
Because that helps to bloom the chocolate, which bloom basically means the chocolate flavor is even stronger. So it's just a little trick rather than just adding the cocoa powder.
I told you, she's very smart, this lady.
Oh, love you.
It's
and then
science.
last, oh my
You know what? We're
God.
gonna
So just leave that bad boy down.
And then last but not least, I add my... I'm trying not to make a huge mess because, like I said, I hate doing dishes. It smells delicious.
Oh my gosh!
And then let me just get this flour. But is everybody noticing that this took like 2 minutes?
Yes, this is. I'm in shock.
And wait till I tell you this: at 350 degrees. See what we would do now at 350 degrees, literally for like 7 minutes. You are baking these off, and then you will have whoopie pies. Now, I just want to show you quickly how to fill one. Yes, yes,
Take all the time you need.
All right. Do you mind, honey?
I don't mind.
And we're going to...
You're the best.
Yeah, you have time, girl. Listen, we always save room for dessert.
I know, right?
One.
All right.
Jessie Sheehan's always good for an easy peasy.
Yep.
But this is why I love her. Because I love dessert and I love to bake. And this is making it approachable and palatable, if you will.
All right, peeps. My favorite frosting, I'm not a fancy girl, my favorite frosting is American buttercream, which is basically just sugar and vanilla and butter.
All the wonderful things in the world.
I have tinted it pink. So that it has like, well, first of all, I love pink. It's my favorite color. And then also, just so that it kind of has...
Yeah, show Bobby right there.
Oh, yeah.
Right there.
Bobby, take a look at this.
Bobby, take a look. Please, please,
Look,
please.
Bobby, you hungry? You want one of those?
I think Bobby said yes.
Yes, he did.
Inside, he said it in his quiet voice.
Now, what is that business?
Okay, peeps. Crushed candy canes, which I just learned, if you do not want to crush your own, they actually sell them crushed.
Get out of town.
Had no idea.
Mind blown.
And you just go like this.
That's it?
How cute, peeps.
Yeah,
All right.
why don't you make the
Cute.
second one when
Oh
she's
my
done
gosh,
here?
I would love it.
I want
wait,
to practice for home.
Yeah.
Remind me how long this goes in the oven, the dough?
Literally 7 minutes, honey.
7 minutes.
Like 5 to 10 minutes. All you want, the way I don't even, you know how sometimes when you're baking, you'll take like a toothpick or
Yeah.
you'll stick, oh, I love you.
This one is just,
I love
you're pulling
you.
a me today. You were all up in it.
You know how sometimes you have to like stick a toothpick in and then you see if it has a little crumb or whatever. With these, it's just visual. You just want to see that when you touch, I mean, okay, not just visual, it's also like a feel, but you just want to see that they're slightly humped and that when you touch them, they kind of bounce back.
They say I'm done.
Yeah, they say, please.
They give you a
eat
little.
me,
Yeah, they give you a little.
Then they do a little. Then
So
they
the
do a little
cream.
dance.
If I'm not mistaken, you said it's a vanilla, an American buttercream.
Yes.
Do I detect a little mint?
You do. You do. So I use the traditional American butter. Hello, miss. That was very good.
She's got a very.
I have a very advanced palate.
I
palate over there.
know. So traditional American buttercream, yes, 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 just vanilla. This time I added the peppermint extract. Thank you for reminding me. And that will play really nicely with the crushed candy canes.
This feels so.
Let's see it.
It's so
Let's
bougie,
get
but
you-
it's so easy. It's so silly to me.
Yes.
I'm gonna make the. Juliano, I will be
Get
making
in
this
there.
at home.
How many?
So-
and is this the star of your baking?
At the
show?
holidays?
Yeah.
Yes. I mean, definitely this one for Christmas. I also do a pumpkin one with a cream cheese filling, which is also delicious and very kind of Thanksgiving-y.
And I
But-
just dunk her around like this.
Yes, please.
That's it.
But I'm like an equal opportunity whoopie pie girl.
This is good to know.
When my kids were little, when it was time, like, bring the cupcakes to
Yeah.
school, it's their birthday, always made whoopie pies.
You were like the most popular mom.
wish I was in that school.
Can I just say I was really
Of
popular?
course you were.
Yeah,
Of
I
course
mean,
you-
I'm not gonna lie.
No, I
like,
think
Hey, not-
if there
not
was a
about it.
popularity, I won number one mom.
Should you?
Yeah, yeah, I
And
won number one mom.
And in full disclosure, the cranberry buckle that you showed me how to make is now a fan favorite. If it doesn't show up on the holiday table, I'm mincemeat.
Honey, I love
Can
you
you pass
for
me that cookbook for a second?
Please.
I want to see what's going on here.
Oh
The
my God,
cranberry
I love
buckle. I
you.
do remember you
Yeah.
making the cranberry buckle at home.
So here it is.
This is it.
What is the official name of this delectable bite?
These are chocolate peppermint whoopie pies.
Oh my gosh! All right, can we?
Otherworldly vanilla cream
yeah.
scones.
I know.
Let's take them
gotta
and
do
bring
some
them to
reading
the
this
table,
weekend.
shall we?
Oh, I would love to.
You take your babies.
Okay, I'm going to.
We're gonna go this
that
way.
way.
Okay.
This is
I
fantastic.
wish remember how that other woman had the two little boys helping
Yes.
her?
Yes.
I kind of wish I had two little boys
Watch
helping
these
me.
wires.
But
Oh,
am I doing an okay job on
You're doing
myself?
great.
Fantastic.
Listen, you don't need anybody.
Okay, good.
You could run this whole show
okay,
alone.
Okay, good.
Find.
Okay.
I see a
Oh
spot
my
for
gosh, look at all of this beautiful
I want yours
food.
right here.
Oh my God, I love it.
You like that business?
Yeah.
All right, Jessie Sheehan.
Listen, not half
Oh my
bad. Not half
gosh.
bad.
Yeah.
Right?
This looks so beautiful.